This is the 19-litre pressure sprayer I've made from scratch. I've put it all together. I had to put the tractor brass valve, the quick disconnect. I had to source this hose and the gun, which pumps 100 psi of pressure, which lasts in the tank for pretty long. Great for people that live in an apartment that can't get to sort of wash their cars or wash even their windows in their apartments, balconies and stuff like that would be great. And that mixed with this IK foamer would work good even to clean whatever you guys need in your apartment. So you do that, let it sit for a while, pull down all the dirt, whether it be on your windows or balcony or car or truck, and then you'd hit it with the pressure sprayer and get it all off. And then you could either use a microfiber sponge to wash your car or window or whatever it is, and then squeegee it off. I can make these for you. I've sourced the right places. It's taken me a while, because before you'd have to get that one from a tinting shop and they're about 400 and it's smaller. But this one here would last ages, and all you have to do is take it to the petrol station and fill it up with air. It takes 100 psi, and it's got a release pressure valve, which is this thing. You can pull it up. I don't want to pull it up because I've only filled it up yesterday. And even this is the hanger for the hose when you're finished. Works good. And if you don't want to get the IK foamer but want to get this 19-litre tank, you can get one of these. To foam or put soap and then blast it with water in that 19-litre tank. Yeah, I'll be putting these for sale. They're going to be sort of made to order when customers want them. Just give me a call and put in your order, and I will make them. Shouldn't take more than a week depending on delivery. Thanks guys.